Hello everyone! Let's make some sinabawang isda. I bought this red snapper at the store. There's 4 pieces in it and it's about almost $18 a pack for 4. So I'm gonna make some sinabawang isda. So I'm gonna put some tomato. Tomato. And onion. White onion. And ginger. And a scallion, the onion leaves. Then I will put some seasoning. Seasoning that I always use. I don't use the measuring cup or measuring spoon. I just estimate how much I put little by little. At least you can adjust the saltiness. Because if you put a lot and it's too salty, either you just gonna throw away or you can do something to change, get the taste better. So I'm just gonna let this to boil before I put the fish. And I'm going to put some little okra, few pieces of okra. And it's happened, I have a siling labuyo. It's a hot pepper plant outside. Just one plant growed and it's producing a lot of hot pepper. We call it siling labuyo in Tagalog. And I got some few pieces of pepper leaves. And I will put it here. I'm only gonna put a few pieces because I don't know if this leaves is gonna be hot also. So I will try to put just few pieces of this. And I will put this in a vinegar. Need more. And this is the fish head I'm going to use. The tail, I'm going to fry it. going to put this fish first before I put the okra. Just let it boil. It's gonna be yummy. Money. I'm just gonna eat this fish by itself, like this, without rice. Oh, it's really good. It's really good. Tasty. Okay, I will go ahead and put the pepper leaves to see. I hope it's not that hot. It's gonna make a different taste when you put the pepper, because I forgot to buy pepper yesterday for the fish. So when I went outside this morning, I saw this siling labuyo plant. So I decided to get a few pieces of the leaves to see how it goes to cook with this fish. It's good. It's not hot. Little bit. It's really good. I bought 4 packs of this red snapper at the store the other day. To me, it's cheaper for me to buy it than buying the fresh one. The fresh one, it's kind of expensive. It's about $8 a pound. So I was so happy when I found this pack of red snapper at the store. But I don't know what it called in Tagalog. This fish. Oh, yummy. I want to put some more the ginger. You know, when I eat anything, the vegetable or fish with ginger. I eat ginger too. I don't throw away this when I eat, because ginger is good for your health. Okay, now I will put the okra. You know, here in US, if you want to buy a fresh seafood, it's a little bit expensive. And if you can find the frozen one, it's a fresh seafood, but it's frozen. That's still good. That's why I was so happy when I found this red snapper packaging. It's almost $18 for 4 pieces in a pack. So I'm just gonna cook this okra half cooked. I don't want my okra overcooked. It's really good. See, this is a very simple recipe. Usually, we do this kind of recipe in Ilonggo. Simple but healthy. So I'm just gonna, I already cut it off I turned it off the stove. So I'm just gonna leave it like this until the okra totally done cooked. Just like that. Very simple. You can eat it without rice. Okay, bye everyone. I just like to share this simple recipe to you, friends. Have a blessed day, everyone. God bless us all.